Welcome to my spring closet clean out. I have way too many clothes. So the game plan is to take everything out of my closet and then sort it all into 3 different piles, that being keep, sell, and donate. And then once all that is finished, we're gonna put it all back into my closet, all organized and color coordinated. Okay, I'm already stressed out and I haven't even started. Pretty much everything here is stuff that I recently purchased because I'm a shopaholic, or laundry that just never got put away. So all this needs to be sorted through eventually and then put back to its home. Then I just have some clean laundry on my bed, and this is the sell pile that we're working with so far. All right, let's get to it. So this side of my closet is pretty much all color coordinated, and it goes all the way back there. All my fall winter stuff is what's out here right now, and then more of the spring summer stuff is in the back. So we're also gonna swap those and make that spring transition. And then this side of my closet is pretty much just all heavier things like vests and jackets right there. And then I just randomly put some skirts right here, and then I started the color coordination right here. So this all needs to get worked with as well. Then at the bottom here, I just have this storage cubby storing all of my shoes. All this just needs to get organized, so let's get it. I'm just gonna start sorting the first half of my closet, and then we'll move on to the second half. I love these pants, but I don't think they fit me anymore, so I think I'm gonna try to sell these. Keep, 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 keep. This was my grandma's, so for sentimental value, keep, keep. I don't know if I should sell or donate this. Keep, 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 even though I haven't worn it, I'm going to. Keep. I don't know about this one. I feel like I'm going to try it on and see if I want to keep it or not. I do have a lot of jackets already. We'll see. I'm going to set this aside for now. This is my favorite vest ever. Keep. And keep. I have way too many clothes. I think I'm going to donate these. I bought this because it was fall and I liked this shade of yellow for the season, but I don't know. I think I might try to sell it. This is one of my favorite sweaters ever. I have this in a sweater and a cardigan, and I am definitely not parting with it anytime soon. So much of this stuff I've bought within the last year. That is so bad. I have a problem. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm really not much of a flannel person anymore, but I don't want to get rid of this. I think I'm gonna try and sell this because I've had it for a year and I've never worn it. I bought this just because it was a Zara shirt at Marshall's, but I think I might try to sell it. Okay, random, but a little tip I learned when you're sorting through your clothes like this and trying to decipher whether you should keep something or not is think of if a catastrophe happened or if you lost that piece of clothing, would you go and buy it again? Is it something you would repurchase? Do you love it that much? And if it's not, and it's not something that you feel like you wear all the time, then bye. I think we might be donating this one. Maybe I'm gonna sell this. I've had this for so long. I think I've had it since high school and I still wear it. Most of my high school clothes I've gotten rid of because my style has just changed so much since then. But this is one of the pieces that has stuck for sure. I don't think I need 2 green sweaters, even though this one is different. I think I'm gonna try to sell this. This vest is cute, but I don't wear it enough to keep it. I think I'm gonna sell it. These little shawls I feel like are just not trendy at all, but for some reason I still like them. I love wearing all this plaid around the holiday season, so I'm not getting rid of them. This is adorable. A brand sent me this and I don't wear it very often, but I just feel like it's so fun. Like I love the colors, so I'm keeping it. Moving on to the spring summer section of my closet. I really liked this dress when I got it and I've worn it so many times. I just don't gravitate towards leopard print anymore, so I feel like I'm gonna sell this. I have to wear this summer, otherwise I have to get rid of it. I forgot about so many of my cute summer clothes. I think I'm gonna sell this. I literally never wear this, so I'm gonna sell this too. I love this dress. My grandma called me a streetwalker in it though. This is so cute and I love it, but I've had it for like 2-3 years and I've never worn it. I don't know, we're gonna set it aside. I'm gonna sell this. Now I have to get all of this back into my closet. Now that all that stuff is put back into my closet, I think I'm gonna call it a day and pick this back up tomorrow. Welcome back. Today I want to tackle my dresser and all of the piles of clothes in my room. Oh, and also this new added sweater rack. I've been doing so many loads of laundry this week, it's ridiculous, and it's really made me realize how many clothes I actually have. Like, it genuinely is a problem. It's bad. Anyways, I think we're gonna start with my dresser because that is the least motivating. So we'll get that out of the way first. I have way too many socks. Okay, so that's all of my clothing that was in my dresser except for my pajama drawer, and that I like recently went through, so I'm gonna go through it again, but I'm gonna do that like separately because there's a lot of stuff in there. And then I just have one extra drawer of storage in here, and it is not looking its best. Let me show you. I'm not gonna lie, she's not looking very pretty, but we're being real here. This is a true clean out, so I'm gonna show you her in all her glory. I kid you not, this drawer has literally never looked like this. Like, I swear I am so much more organized than this, and this is stressing me out so much. So we're gonna fix this after we deal with the clothes. Here are all the clothes that were in my dresser. We're just gonna go through them and put them into the 3 piles: keep, sell, or donate. I'm gonna sell this. I think I'm gonna sell my Lulu Align leggings actually. So I will link my Depop down below and you can go shop them there. This top has been with me for way too many years, so donate. I think I'm gonna sell this. This was my favorite top for so long, and it's definitely kind of worn, so I'm gonna donate it. I think I'm gonna sell this. Okay. So I sorted all of my undergarments off camera, and interesting fact about me, I have so many socks that I have to separate them seasonally and store whatever ones I'm not using with my like seasonal clothing. That's how many socks I've accumulated. I have no idea how this happened, but it did. I have no motivation to keep doing this, but that's the reason why I'm filming it, so I'll actually get it done. Okay, so I'm not gonna put anything back into my dresser quite yet. I'm gonna sort through all these piles in my room, and then once everything is all sorted and organized, then I'm gonna put it all back in together. Might be getting rid of this, not sure. Same with this one, I still want to try it on. Okay. I finally finished sorting through everything, so here is the final sell and donate pile. I'm so tired. Thank you guys for coming along and cleaning out my closet with me. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope it motivated you to do some spring cleaning yourself. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!